Hello everyone, it's Julie and welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting thing coming up, but it's going to take a long time to load because, believe it or not, I think it's almost 4 hours. But you'll understand why. Because the process remember, these are for new beginner skills. But by the end of it, you can create some awesome things. Okay? Now, this first one, pretty straightforward. Okay, with a button. This one's pretty straightforward with the techniques that we've learned. Okay, however, the difference is that we are using rubber bands. Okay, we're going to be using rubber bands. I did want to say is, like, here's the first part of the giveaway. You got some small ones and big ones for projects. They've got 61 pieces in here. Okay. And then I was going to do this one, but it's pretty straightforward. I will share how this is put together because y'all will know how to do that. This one I did with using one single thread, and I used a size 4 hook, for this. Okay, size 4. Pretty straightforward. And then this, I want you to get ready for this exciting little bit here. Well, I'm going to leave it on here because this is a sneak preview. Okay, this is a 2-prong or 2-round towel holder. Okay, so you can hang one here and here for the kitchen and or bathroom. However, my only beef with this thing is it's too flimsy for long-term, like pull and tug, and when you're going to dry your hands. Might survive in a bathroom, but not a kitchen. This one is using 2 strands. That's why I took 2 skeins, put them in a ball, and I used 2 strands. Okay, and that came out to this thickness using a size 5 hook. Okay, size 5, well, not size 5, 5mm hook. 4mm hook for this one, 5mm hook. With this one, 2 strands. This is 2 strands. This one and 1 strand here. And then this one. This is taking one working yarn, and turning it into 3 strands without having to cut or roll a ball. Okay, and so this is 1 working yarn, 2 working yarns, and 3. And look at the difference between that. How thick. And on here I've hooked onto the pouch that you guys are going to learn, because this pouch is a I'll show you in the back. I didn't tie this in yet, but this is a pouch for air freshener. If you go to the Bath and Body Works, I don't have it in here because I haven't been to the mall in a while, but Bath and Body Works, they have these like round discs, okay, that are the size of this, okay, with the 2 rubber bands, and then you peel away from the thing a little tiny hole where the air freshener comes out. Well, you stick it back in here. Okay, and so this is what I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to take it off my towel holder. See, so you've got 2 prongs for towel. Okay, because this is what that looks like. Just like this. Okay, 2 towels. With your air freshener pouch, you could just leave it or just hang it right here alongside your towel. Your air freshener pouch. Okay, these are for the holidays. I know the theme is for the holidays, and then but you can take all of this and turn it into Christmas festivities. Festive for Christmas. And this is for a vertical door handle. Vertical. Okay. I was going to do this also, but I couldn't because this is the only large bead I found in my arsenal of buttons and beads. So I can't do this. However, the one that I do, I'm going to show you this one on the next one. This should go pretty fast, maybe, but it's going to be using this shell with I don't know, maybe that, or I might take this Aran weight. Might be too dark. I think I have another step color up from this color here. I'm not sure, but that's that. And then this is what we worked on this evening. Showed you how to do this. Okay, now let me take off this pouch. Okay, don't be shy. You can pull it in and out. It's not going to hurt it at all. It's bendable. Okay, and then look at how gorgeous this is. This is a thick and chunky piece of work. Look at that. 3 yarns without cutting the thread or rolling up a yarn skein. Okay, and you just stick it through like this. So you've got one loop for a towel. The reason why I did it this big is because I wanted something heavy, durable, to hang in the kitchen, because you know how we're going to tug, right? Dry our hands on our towels while it's hanging. So you have 2 towels to hang off here, and then you can take your pouch, connect it to the top one, have a air freshener in there in the kitchen, because you know, if you're cooking fish, you know that's not going to be pleasant, right? But then again, an air freshener and fish cooking may not go hand in hand, but at least when you're not cooking, you can have like a pumpkin spice disc in here for your kitchen, excuse me, for the holidays, or you just latch this on. Okay, you just latch this on to your kitchen, your stove bar, put it into one of those button knobs. If you have a button knob for cabinets to open and close your cabinets, you know, hang it onto your knob. So this is what we're going to do. Oh, and this, with this, I'm going to show you in just a separate video. I'm going to show you how to do this buttonhole pumpkin and this acorn, because you could also, if I didn't find this, I was going to use this acorn as a button to put this through that, you know, as a button. How cute would that have been, right? Right. Yep, so there we have it, you guys. This and this, oops, backwards, you are going to learn in this next video. And don't forget, this is part of the giveaway. I tried to find some more hooks, but they were out of them, so I have to keep going back for them. So talk to you guys later. Get excited. Bye.